Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
Oh, baby. You're so kawawa. What's wrong, baby? Sige na, mami. Hoy, mami. Mami. Ililigtas mo na siya, mami. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Yun na. He's eating na. Sa wakas. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isang Dwaine the Vlog starring Pabibo. And then we have of course Pabebe and Pabibe. Ayun, nagpa-feeding time na sila. So usually siya breastfeeds but ngayon nagpa-bottle feed siya kasi we have bisita. Now, alam ko na bawal ang bisita sa panahon natin ngayon pero itong bisita na to, they're fixing the aircon. Air conditioning, ayun, kasi tumutulo na po siya.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Ayan, mga bossing kaway kayo dyan. Yun no. Oh, sino ba sila, Nitro? Ha? Sino ba yung bisita natin? Oh.
Dapat nakamask din tayo.
Yes, upload namin to, kuya. Papasikatin ka namin. Hello, baby.
Nakikinitan, baby.
Oo.
Oh, hindi ka na umiyak kasi may tao.
Yes, hindi ka na umiyak.
Very good, baby.
Nahiya ka na sa bisita. Kahit may bisita, social distancing pa rin tayo. Pero dito sa Shangri-La, social distancing. Oh, diba? Si Nitro, oh, tinitingnan niya yung mga bisita. Sino ba sila, Nitro? Sino ba sila?
Nitro. Nitro.
Dead ma.
Mami and baby.
Agi-adi yan.
Bad luck. Hello, Nitro. How do you feel about the aircon fixed? Yeah? Is it good? Yeah? Are you happy now? Yeah, you're so happy now. You say, yay! Ready? 3, 2, 1, yay! Yay! Okay, Dwaine the fam. So, alam ko medyo, matagal na kami hindi nakapag-upload. 4 days lang naman. Hindi naman masyadong matagal. Pero throughout the week, we've taken some footage of Baby Nitro. And yung mga moments na kung saan tumatawa siya, ganon. Mga rare yung moments na yan. Minsan lang siya tumatawa. As in, laughing. He's starting to laugh na. Right now, kinakausap siya ni Mami. Shanta.
Hello, baby. 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 Baby. Hello, 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 baby. Are you angry?
Hello, baby. Oh, he's laughing. He's laughing. Ready? Whoop. Oh, hello, baby. He's laughing. Are you laughing at Daddy? Huh? Yeah, you're laughing, aren't you? Yes, you are, baby. The baby's laughing. Oh, hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello. Hey, baby. Grabe, baby Nitro, you're so malaki na. Yes, you're so big na. Yes, you are. You're so big na, baby. Yeah, you're a big boy na. Yes, you are. What's that? Is that a smile or a cry? Huh? Ah.
Hello. So big na.
Yes, you're very big. Tabaching.
Big boy na. Oh.
Tabachoy-choy.
Ay,
Yes, you
Nitro.
are.
Nitro.
Oh, there's
Sit
mommy.
here.
There's mommy.
Hi.
Yeah, that's
Hindi
mommy.
nakikita na niya til kay nimkamot dako.
Okay guys, this is how I get Nitro to stop crying. Magic. Now the baby's nice and calm. Yes, he is. Now watch what happens when we put the baby back on the ground. He starts again. And stop.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog today. Pero before we end this vlog, meron po tayong mga shoutouts, alright? So abangan, baka kasama kayo dito sa mga shoutout natin. Okay, so una sa lahat, we are going to give a shoutout sa mga top fan natin sa Facebook page natin. Alright, una sa lahat si Yen Wolfango. Yen Wolfango is very very cute and handsome. Both of you have a look-alike. I hope I can meet you because since both of you are single, hindi kami single. Kasal nga kami. I'm always watching your YouTube, especially Dwaine, Proposal in the Beach, coming tears in my eyes. You'll always both be understanding, trust each other, and be patient. I think nagkamali po siya sa single word. Okay, thank you po, Yen Wolfango. Maraming salamat. Donna Cora Jane Tiongson. 3 months din yung baby niya. Ang cute, no? Congratulations po. 3 months na. Wow. Next we have Daisy Bati Cariaga. This is my Apple baby, Nitro. His name is Elric. He's turning 4 months on August 12. Congratulations po. Cute naman. Baby yan. Maraming baby sa comment section natin. Next is Men's Sal Bells. Happy 3rd monthsary also to you, Nitro, from IZ. Wow, cute. Very nice. Oh, this is a good picture. From Pay or Pai Diaz Bilaza. Hello, baby Nitro. I'm baby Elijah. 7 months old. Playmate tayo. Ang cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video for today. At kita-kits sa sunod video ng Dwaine. Alright guys, also, kung hindi pa kayo gumawa ng PhilTalk account, punta na kayo sa philtalk.net. Alright, sa web browser niyo. Sign up kayo. Libre lang siya. Para siyang social media din para sa Pilipinas. Social network connecting Filipinos to foreigners. Alright guys, we will see you in the next video and bye for now.
Spent forever in the day with you. I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle. You're beautiful, you shine like a star.